The thing that I'm concerned about is that they will be extraordinarily see-through. I wasn't expecting to like it. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Sam, and if you know me, then you're probably wondering what the heck I did to my hair. I just decided to dye my hair a little bit darker, actually like a lot darker. For the winter, I was kind of getting a little bit bored of being blonde for so long, so I hope that all of you like it as much as I do. Today, I'm going to be chatting with you all about a new workout set that I purchased from Amazon. I have always been attracted to like the set active sets of the world, and I love, Lululemon, of course, who doesn't, but I've never actually purchased like a full-on matching set of workout clothes before, and then I ended up here. So today I thought I would share with all of you what I think about this set. I've opened the package, I haven't really looked at it, I certainly have not tried it on yet, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Apologies for all of the crinkling that you're about to hear. It looks like it comes with a scrunchie too. That's interesting. This is actually seems like a great scrunchie. What a bonus. Also comes with a backpack. And then here is the set. So you can see it does come with a little bra top. This is like a ribbed seamless set, which I'm really into. It does have removable cup pads, and honestly, I always take the cup pads out of any type of sports bra, so I'll probably be doing that here, but we'll see. And then these are the pants. So they seem to be of fine quality. I don't see any loose threads or anything. The back seam is kind of crinkly looking. I don't really have that much of a butt, so we'll see how that goes. But other than that, they do seem to be of an okay quality. The thing that I'm concerned about, particularly given that it is a slight color, is that they will be extraordinarily see-through. It's so hard to tell. The waistband is double lined, so that's good. It seems like it's going to be quite sturdy. I feel like it will kind of hold you in, which I like that from leggings a little bit. But I'm gonna have to try these on and see how they go. The other thing I really liked about them is that they don't have a front seam. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be long enough for me. If you haven't seen my videos before, I'm 5'10". Most of my height I find to be in my legs, so often things are much too short for me. I am going to change into them, and then I guess we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm actually pretty impressed just based on first impressions with the quality and with the fit of both the top and the bottoms. I am just gonna zoom you all out so that we can take a closer look together. I wasn't expecting to like it necessarily. I have bought some weird clothing on Amazon before that didn't fit properly, so this is a very happy win for me. I am going to actually work out in it in a little bit, so I will film that and let you know how it goes as well. For now, I just wanted to show you what the set looks like. The only thing I don't like is this kind of weird seam in the back. I wish that that wasn't there. I've never really seen another activewear set that had this little, pointy thing right towards your butt crack. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I am really impressed with the fact that they are long enough. So they actually are a full length pant on me. Normally I would go for something a little bit higher waisted if I had the option. At Lulu, I wear the extra high rise shorts and leggings just because I am a little bit taller. With this, obviously you can see it is below my belly button, and I don't love that, but for $40 for this set, I'll certainly take it rather than, paying $150 or whatever amount of money for something similar from a different brand. I did end up taking the cup pads out of the bra, and I think that it fits better that way. Before, it felt like it was kind of digging in a little bit on the sides here. You know, that can happen sometimes, but now that they're out, I feel like it does fit a little bit more comfortably. It still looks fine. I don't feel like the top is super see-through or anything. And again, I'm just pretty pleasantly surprised and impressed with how this ended up turning out. In particular, I have wanted a set like this kind of nudie tan color for, you know, like the past several months, and it's really nice to find one for such an affordable price. So I hope that it still stands the test of time when I try it working out, but as of now, I'm really happy with this set, and I think that it was totally a great find. Can't wait to get my workout in. I never say that. Guys, I'm so lazy. Honestly, I don't like working out most of the time, but sometimes when you have cute clothes, it makes you maybe want to work out a little bit more. So I guess that's what's happening to me right now. We will roll the clip of me working out. Let's see how that goes. So I'm about to get started. I'm gonna do my workout now. I'm actually gonna just put on this scrunchie that I got. I don't know, it was free. Whatever, I'll try it out. I'm gonna be doing a Melissa Wood health workout. She is kind of the only person other than my friend Janeen, who's a yoga instructor. I'll link her down below as well. I take her classes, or I do these Melissa Wood health pre-recorded workouts. It's all I've been doing since quarantine. I'm not a big workout person to begin with, but I have been kind of trying to stay active when most of the time all I'm doing is just sitting on my computer, you know, at work. I don't leave the house very often other than to walk Pepper. So I'm gonna do a quick workout and we will see how this goes. I did also change into red underwear. I just wanted to check and see if this was see-through or not. So far, it seems like it's only see-through if you like really stretch it to the max. So I think it will be fine, but I guess Editing Sam will figure out if it actually is see-through or not. And yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. Workout now, and I just wanted to kind of give my impressions of what this outfit was like while I was working out. As you probably saw, it's not like I was doing a crazy high intensity workout or anything. I prefer to do like yoga or Pilates type workouts if I do work out. So it's not like I sweat through this or anything, but I did find that it was quite comfortable as I was moving around. Often I find that like the waistband on leggings will kind of bunch up or move around. These were actually great. They pretty much stayed exactly in place, and I felt secure in this top as well. It's quite fitted and it did feel supportive. Obviously, granted, I don't really have big boobs to hold up or anything, and I certainly wasn't jumping around, but I do feel like it's quite supportive up top. I got a size medium in this set. I don't think that I mentioned that before, so I did just want to point that out in case you are thinking about purchasing something like this for yourself and you want to know what the size reference was. It actually didn't seem that see-through. I looked at some of the clips just on my camera and I don't think that it was that bad. All in all, I think that this was totally a win. So I hope that that was helpful if you have kind of been struggling with the same thing and looking to try and find a set that is a little bit more affordable. I honestly have to give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it has helped you decide whether or not you want to take a chance and order some activewear off of Amazon. I will link everything below. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could click that subscribe button down below and come join us. I do post new videos every single Wednesday. Typically they are about fashion, about styling, but also sometimes I just like to try things out and see how they go. If you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you. It's so wonderful having more and more of you along with me each and every week as I post new videos. Talk to you all soon. Bye!